Sometimes I love making those videos, like those fast motion cleaning videos where it's like, you know, like the Benny Hills theme. Or like videos where I snap my fingers, or like I do the cover the hand and then here's the new clean. All like little TikTok tricks I've learned. I love doing those, but sometimes I just want a really good cleaning video. Like, just show me the dirtiness disappearing. So here you have it, real time. In under 2 minutes, how to clean a door. Dusty door, spot buildup, dirt buildup, just life builds up on a door. And I got my handy dandy thieves cleaner and my awesome favorite microfiber reusable scrubber cloth sponge thingy that I absolutely love. And, you know, easy way to clean doors. So I love it. Makes my client happy. Makes me happy. Real time. No editing. No, like, filter, beauty, anything. Just a nice clean door. There you go. Crunchified clean.